Hi friends, so in this video we are going to discuss about development. Okay, so in the last class we have already seen that we are taking different criteria for measuring the development. So among them one of the important criteria is your income. We are taking per capita income as the basis of development. Okay, but sometimes it is also creating confusion. Okay, per capita income cannot be taken as one aspect for comparing development. We can take the example of different states like Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. In these three states we can see that Haryana has more per capita income with comparison to Kerala and Bihar. So Haryana here it will be considered the most developed state. But is it true? No, it is not true. Why? Because other aspects are also like they are in order to compare the per capita income, like infant mortality rate, your literacy rate, net attendance ratio are also given importance while calculating the ratio of development. Okay, so if we will compare these, then Kerala will be more prosperous than other states. Okay, now different criteria we are also comparing while talking about the per capita income. Okay, so what are the criteria we are comparing? Like government should also provide different public facilities in order to ensure development and welfare of the society. So what are the other public facilities? The other public facilities like health, education, transportation, okay, provision of clean drinking water, sanitation, etc. are also important in order to think about development. And another important factor is also that is your PDS or public distribution system, we can say. Okay, should also work properly. So if a state is providing such facilities, then the people of the state is certainly likely to be better, we can say. So from this factor we can compare that Kerala is one of the prosperous state of our country in India. Did you all understand? So another thing is your human development report. HDR or human development report is published by UNDP. Okay, so UNDP compares countries based on different things like educational level of the people, their health, their status, and per capita income. So in HDR, which thing they are giving importance? They are giving importance to gross national income. They are giving importance to life expectancy. They are giving importance to mean years of schooling. So these are things they are given importance, and according to that, UNDP prepares the HDI rank. Okay. So in 2017-18, India's rank in HDI was 130 out of 189 countries. Sri Lanka, being a very small country also, is much ahead of India in every respect, while Nepal and Bangladesh have low per capita income but better life expectancy. So here we can understand that development not only refers to monetary aspect, but in these people their health, their well-being is most important. Okay, so did you all understand? People, their well-being is most important in development rather than other things. Then another things is also coming to your mind when you are talking about development, that is your sustainability of development or sustainable development. So when present generation will develop without considering the need of the future generation, that is known as sustainable development. Did you all understand? So we should be very much careful while using natural resources. Otherwise, a day may come when our future generation they will face a lot of problems to get any resources. Here we can take the example of groundwater. So water is a renewable resource. That does not mean that we will use water so much that our future generation they will not get any water. They will not get water. Water pollution will increase. So as human being, what should not we do? We should not be very much selfish. We should think about others. We should think about our future generation. If we'll think about future generation, then definitely we can create a good environment for them. Definitely it will be good for them and it will be good for us. So did you all understand? So sustainable development is very much important. Okay, and government should also provide different kinds of public facilities